Tired of ramen? Let's get this bread. Yo, struggling artists, side hustle heroes, and anyone tired of instant noodles for dinner. We've all been there counting pennies and wondering if there's a way out. Let's talk about how to make some serious dough, $300 a day to be exact. Yes, you heard that right, $300 a day. No, it's not a pyramid scheme, and it doesn't involve selling your kidneys. Thank goodness. It's a legit way to earn money without any shady business. It's all about Appen, the side hustle you never knew you needed. This platform offers flexible work that fits into your lifestyle. Imagine this, lounging in your PJs, binge-watching your favorite show, and making money on the side. Sounds like a dream, right? We're talking about ditching that dead-end job and finally having the cash to treat yourself to something nice. No more living paycheck to paycheck. So, buckle up, my friends, because we're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of Appen and how it can help you level up your financial game. Get ready to transform your life. Okay, so what is Appen anyway? You might have heard the name floating around, but let's dive deeper. In a nutshell, Appen is a global company that helps big tech giants like Google and Amazon improve their products and services. They are the unsung heroes behind the scenes. They do this by collecting and analyzing data, and that's where you come in, my friend. Your role is crucial in this data-driven world. You become a digital detective of sorts, completing tasks that help train AI and make technology smarter. Imagine being the Sherlock Holmes of the digital age. Think of it like this. You're the cool kid in school who lets everyone cheat off their homework. But instead of classmates, it's tech giants relying on you. Except in this case, you're helping tech giants ace their tests, and they're paying you for the privilege. It's a win-win situation. Appen offers a variety of tasks, and many of them are surprisingly simple. From categorizing data to evaluating search results, there's something for everyone. With Appen, it's all about using your everyday skills to make a difference in the tech world and line your pockets while you're at it. So why not turn your spare time into a profitable venture? All right, ready to jump on this money-making train? Good news, signing up with Appen is a piece of cake. First things first, head over to the Appen website and create an account. It's free, painless, and won't require you to sell your soul to the internet gods, always a plus. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, like your name, email address, and what kind of work you're interested in. Next, you'll fill out a short skills assessment. This just helps Appen match you with tasks that are a good fit for your abilities. Once you're all signed up and assessed, you're ready to browse available projects and start applying. It's like online dating for side hustles, but with a much higher success rate. So you're all signed up and ready to roll. But what does the actual work look like? Well, that depends on the specific project you choose. One common task is called search engine evaluation. Basically, you'll be given a search query and a set of search results, and your job is to rate how relevant and helpful those results are. Another popular task is data annotation, which involves tagging images or videos with specific information. The tasks are usually short and sweet, so you can easily fit them into your day whenever you have a few spare minutes. Okay, so you've got the basics down. Now it's time to level up your earning potential and become an Appen all-star. Don't worry, I've got your back, even though I'm just a disembodied voice on the internet. First and foremost, pay attention to detail. The more accurate your work, the more tasks you'll be offered, and the more money you'll make. Next, be reliable. Complete your tasks on time and don't flake out on projects. Appen loves reliable workers and is more likely to offer you higher-paying gigs if you've proven yourself to be trustworthy. Finally, don't be afraid to branch out. Appen offers a wide variety of projects, so don't be afraid to try something new. All right, let's talk turkey, or should I say Benjamins. How much can you actually make with Appen? Well, it depends on a few factors like the type of tasks you choose, how much time you put in, and your overall accuracy. But with a little hustle and a whole lot of clicking, it's definitely possible to earn that coveted $300 per day. Beyond the cold, hard cash, Appen offers a bunch of other sweet perks. For starters, you get to work from home, or anywhere with an internet connection, really. Imagine sipping coffee in your pajamas while making money. Plus, you get to be your own boss. No more micromanaging supervisors or rigid office hours. You set your own hours, work at your own pace, and take breaks whenever you darn well please. Flexibility is the name of the game here. With Appen, you're not just earning money, you're building a brighter future for yourself, one click at a time. Every task completed is a step towards financial freedom and personal growth.